Get ready for dictation. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker Sir, I rise to support the finance bill which has been presented by the Honorable Finance Minister. Sir, thereafter he was also pleased to announce some more concessions, and those concessions were also announced on the floor of the House. I have heard with great patience the various points which the honorable members from opposition were making here. The main thrust of their criticism was that the Honorable Finance Minister has left a very huge deficit uncovered, almost rupees 1700 crores. This has been left uncovered just 3 days before the budget. The Petroleum Minister was pleased to announce some price hike in petroleum products as to cover the gap. I do not know whether honorable member thereby wants to say that this is one of the means of resource mobilization. If he is fully convinced that this is resource mobilization in which Finance Minister through the Petroleum Minister has done this, then of course he will be perfectly justified in raising that point. But everyone of us is aware of the fact that there is still an element of subsidy in oil. We have not completely cleared the entire thing. So, any question of resource mobilization normally will not arise. Thereafter, there are only 2 courses left. One course is to reduce the developmental expenditure, but the Finance Minister has been pleased to say that he has raised the developmental expenditure corresponding to the last year by 16%, and the honorable members themselves have criticized this by saying that the price rise has been of the order of 20% and your step up is just 16%. That clearly shows that there is hardly any scope of reducing the developmental expenditure. On the other hand, everyone of us in one sector or the other has been requesting the minister concerned that he should do this and do that and try to step up the developmental expenditure. If rupees 1700 crores of deficit has been practically left uncovered, what are the means available? 1. To reduce developmental expenditure, which according to honorable members is irreducible. You cannot do it. Now the other thing or the other means which is available is taxation. The Honorable Finance Minister should have gone in for increased and heavier doses of taxation. This would have again been criticized by the opposition members as well. stop.